Welcome to another episode of Just Scrapping By, the YouTube channel where we find value in some of the most commonly thrown away electronics. In today's episode, we will be scrapping a telecommunications device manufactured by Vonage to see what valuable components can be found within. The model of the device is a VDV-22. It took us about half an hour to disassemble and another half an hour to depopulate the circuit board. So let's get into the project. Giving the Vonage box its first disassembly assessment, there were no visible screws to open the device. In order to get the Vonage box open, use a flat screwdriver to peel off the 4 sticky pads on the bottom. This will reveal the screws that need to be removed to access the circuit board. Once we managed to pry the top of the Vonage box from the bottom, we were very underwhelmed by a simple circuit board with a few components on it. Let's get these components off to see what we can salvage. Well, it is not very optimistic when all of the components removed from the circuit board can be captured in one photo for this scrap vlog. We only managed to remove 4 capacitors, 2 crystal oscillators, 4 varistors, a micro button, and some ports. These components will only fetch us a little over $8 when we put them up for sale. This salvage operation does not look like it is on the road to be profitable. When we put our list of salvaged components together and add it to the scrap value of the circuit boards, we get a very sad number of $8.29 for our salvage value. When we crunch the numbers down further, if we factor in the cost to obtain the device, as well as the time it took us to disassemble the device and depopulate the circuit boards, we have actually lost money today. Even if we sold all of the components at their top value, we are still a little over $1 short of breaking even on this endeavor. So the question is scrapping this device worth it? In order to even make a $1 profit on this device, you would need to obtain the device for free. The device is small and can be depopulated in a short period of time. However, there are not many components in the device, and the few components that we found are of little value for resale. For the Vonage VDV-22 Telecommunications Device, we give it a scrapping grade of an F and do not suggest trying to scrap it for components. Thank you for watching our video, and remember to subscribe to our channel to see more great tutorials on how to turn the old into gold.